Have you ever felt lost, struggling to find meaning and purpose in your life? Jordan Peterson, a renowned clinical psychologist, may have the answers you're seeking. In his book, 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos, Peterson offers practical, philosophical guidance on navigating life's challenges and finding fulfillment. The central focus of the book is the balance between order and chaos, the light and dark within us all. Let's dive into the first rule: stand up straight with your shoulders back. Peterson argues that our posture and body language reflect our inner confidence and readiness to face life's challenges. He draws parallels between human hierarchies and those observed in the natural world, highlighting the power of this simple yet profound principle. The second rule, treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping, explores the importance of self-care. Peterson emphasizes that we often neglect ourselves while tending to others, failing to balance the light and dark within. By nurturing ourselves, we can better navigate life's challenges and find fulfillment. Moving on to the third rule, make friends with people who want the best for you. Peterson underscores the impact of our social circles, urging us to surround ourselves with positive influences. The company we keep can significantly shape our outlook and opportunities for growth. The fourth rule, compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today, addresses the dangers of constant comparison. In a world of social media and global connectivity, it's easy to fall into the trap of measuring ourselves against others. Peterson encourages us to focus on our own personal progress and growth. The fifth rule, do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them, delves into the responsibilities of parenting. Peterson emphasizes the balance between nurturing and setting boundaries, highlighting the importance of discipline in shaping well-rounded individuals. In the sixth rule, set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world, Peterson focuses on personal responsibility. He cautions against the urge to blame others for our own shortcomings, urging us to address our own issues before attempting to fix the world. The seventh rule, pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient, highlights the power of delayed gratification. Peterson illustrates how meaningful sacrifices and choices can shape a more rewarding future, rather than pursuing immediate satisfaction. Moving on to the eighth rule, tell the truth, or, at least, don't lie, Peterson delves into the destructiveness of self-deception. He emphasizes the importance of honesty for personal growth and the ability to navigate life's challenges effectively. The ninth rule, assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't, underscores the value of open-mindedness and true listening. Peterson encourages us to approach conversations with a willingness to learn, fostering understanding and personal growth. The 10th rule, be precise in your speech, explores the power of clear communication. Peterson explains how precise language can bring order to complex situations, reducing confusion and fostering better decision-making. The 11th rule, do not bother children when they are skateboarding, delves into the balance of risk-taking and the importance of not stifling natural growth and independence. Peterson uses skateboarding as a metaphor to illustrate this principle. Finally, the 12th rule, pet a cat when you encounter one on the street, encourages us to find joy in life's small moments. Peterson emphasizes how embracing such instances can help us endure life's hardships and maintain a balanced perspective. In conclusion, Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules for Life offers a profound and practical guide to navigating the complexities of life. By embracing the balance between order and chaos, pursuing meaning, and taking responsibility for personal growth, we can cultivate resilience and find true fulfillment.